Wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
A dear na Ministry of Finance and NASA Bank of Ghana. NDC for penny for dano, Ediaba, enuti a chere, say no na $1 na bafom. Yinya ba kokra. Those who attempted to lie, started to say gold board. And one of them who is a Ajin Sem. Georgie, almost say gold board. Now say, na anti our political party no, nyansa no mo mpɛ so mo de ye adwuma. And now so much share that some person mo frustrate your mind na or mind tete pansam. Why do they act like that? Why? Gold purchasing program. His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The book na da ha. Adi okofa ba say Yamma Bank of Ghana facilities. Ento gold. Na ye fen cushion your reserves. Yamfa gold nkwaji woyel. Said the beya yan kwasesa sebio yan kwasesa cedi bebre ento dollar ketua bi enkoto petrol ketua bi mframa no ne mfa meton na boden. The kai say buy John Gina Posha scam and no one can say heat e ba no so no ehu. Almost say a scam. Na o mine be na beji gold so no be ma oil. Omun TV that. This is what they said. Last one kasa governor ya omodeni kwi deputy governor said then buy your bet now. Or say dia ama ye forest reserve no aye stronger ema ye currency ni jina no. Eye the gold purchasing program by Bank of Ghana. Enyame na meka ye NDC for governor wo sisi na omunkro no mabon. Nti brofo no kura wo ka wo monte ase. But ye no ye de beba from no mate ase by force. And they saying Sammy Jemfi gold board say case operation akra na wo monye operations dem do be 4 months. But ye say sa 0.08 tons of gold na so far wo mo anya no. Eno na etumi ama currency na ejina. But they are onukuta over 70 tons so. Our Bank of Ghana, edu ku senior reserves ne de eye no mo and ama currency na ejina. What kind of people are these people? And this if like like why are they like this? Why are they like this? Mekai say ye the gold purchasing program. Mo deeper wo me atem mekai Sammy Jemfi ewia ketekete bi no ko share sa the blue coat bi no ko tena obi o na obi so egi envelope no man kwan say won jimi afei de omde gold do ye ahemfo sorry. And that year, you gold, almost a Bank of Ghana. It is say, we a goldsmith. What you must say, we a goldsmith. I want to for gold and cobio. Hey, I buy Benny, when na a idea kufado, and add the senum, and I tell boom, see a person a real Ghana gold. I dare tell you know my story, I bet you. Akufo-Addo and his family tried to smuggle gold out of Ghana. Samokaya, only a story beto to beef up the nonsense they wanted to spew. Mekai gold for oil when the first 40 barrels came. John Jina Poko Tintini. Oh, when you're no crana, I will pay for it the day. Everything to rubbish such an intelligent idea by no other than Dr. Bawumia. I mean, show the India, I say you're intelligent. Ghana, you were professors and pennyfo baby big Ghana so yenye nyansani bia wo ma na nka se yemfa gold nkwaji oil because gold mood. Good to see you, Henrietta. What's up? I'm coming to know that the way I'm NDC former Ghana 5 years. Mr. Becca will be the worst country with the lowest IQ. I'm telling you. We sat down with all the leaders we have had. Nobody thought outside the box. Say, you bet to me the gold wa kwaji oil. Yan chucha ho akade ne yan fancy ani. Mama yan to gold, yan fam back your currency no. Ya krono, ya krono fo ne ba wie ya. Ni anom de aye no ehimfu ni na obi anfa na adwene mra. Wo na nakwa a wo se wo gold nti wo di tu kwan na se wan fa mfa Sammy Jamfi wa mpa cho ye be chew ya hemra. Ghana mwedi boni o. Ebufuo ko ebe mu sa 2024 we die. Mu die di boni papa. Yeah, koto gold too. Sabi oil with gold and bad. Young for gold no indicate because all share breaks for no that is what they are doing. No, they use their minerals to support their currency. It will be the adwene we are banan kebe bo man in na sabi ye din atem. Ye nya adongo ye na no se preko bi baby. Ebe gina waka asa wale Adam Smith ni ye nim dia ye na ye nim dia ye. And then there so ensunsanso bi ba no crying ye fully a year. NDC for say young farm more because some buy and 4 months to set to gold board into many more gold. Say gold na my US dollar number for. Let us be careful. NDC has no idea how the American currency is falling. I have told you people. America for Trump. Compare and once the trade war be buying. America dollar no it is not in demand. If I'm not trading with America, why the hell do I need American dollars for? I don't need American dollars. And that is how the currency came down. Now, the same Trump is now finding ways to say, Obe renegotiating some of the hatch now, all those things. No, he's trying to find ways to work back on them so that American currency can rise again. And it will rise again, believe me. This is America. They know how to do these things. It will rise again. And when it rises, me, you in Ghana, and the other lower countries are the ones that are going to pay for it. America does it all the time. It is end this need because I one way beside say you what Nembo mansa no bekono ombo one thing at forcing and as a Bank of Ghana aye nunti ama dollar na bafom ya fair no ntonchen. Now me catch you say NDC political party beer. We should not allow them. Mr. Ellen, why ready? I don't know. As our network in so. Yeah, waba. Sterling. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Sterling. Patrometon Kapa, and I want to say. You, the Namia say, a radio, that's it. Say, I'm going to say, we, waba so. And then, and Komoka Crabia war. And Komoka Crabia war, and try NDC for. ADD the average power and no home bilanka maybe the SML for there a candle institute a vaccine institute and there or D2 or they born once for any idea no. Those were the things I was going to talk about, but right now the major the rest of the inama for the next 30 minutes and I'll be going to say